Welcome to Quanta AI Labs. We will talk about OpenAI and its ecosystem, which they are building. So its journey start with the ChatGPT. Everyone knows about ChatGPT. If we start this thing, if you come on the Google and write OpenAI, so you see these are the research paper they release every month or some new models, thinking model and codex. We will talk about it later. But these are the latest information. You got all the things here only on openai.com, which model they are releasing. Or if you want to know about the business, API platform and all the things. Let's understand the basic structure of OpenAI. So let's go here. OpenAI. This company creates AI models. Okay. For AI services. So this company created what? AI models and frameworks to use them. Okay, or services they are providing. They are the framework services we consider this in this only. Services. Okay. Now let's understand this one from here. Let's take it. Now let's talk about AI models they release. There are two types of AI models. One is general models, which gives you the answer directly without thinking. There are second models is like reasoning models. Reasoning. They think before answer your question. And the frameworks we talk about. So there is a AI agent SDK, the recent frameworks. Which help you to create AI agent. Okay. Using OpenAI, any model, but we are mostly talk about the OpenAI. So they are making AI agent SDK, software development kit for the making AI agent using OpenAI and all the things. They are providing three things. So the thing is, if we break this thing also, let me shift it here and let me shift it. Okay, this is the one thing. And OpenAI has a products just like ChatGPT, Operator, Sora for video creation. So these are some products we use in daily basis life. So they are different charges and all the things. ChatGPT, Operator, Sora is also into the ChatGPT. We will talk everything in this complete series on OpenAI, understanding OpenAI. So let's talk about the first one, the ChatGPT. If you go on the ChatGPT, this is the chat interface. Okay, let me log out. So this is the basic chat interface. Stay log out. Okay. So it requires login, sign up. If you don't have account, you create an account. Just sign up with Google or something, and login also is the direct option. If you let me log in up with the basic my different Gmail. So I will show you if you are in the free version what you got. Okay, let's go. So in this free version, they are the ChatGPT everyday task, and you don't able to see the models, which models they are using for that, the free version and all the things. Okay. If you click here, we see this is the sidebar. Here you can use Sora, which is the video creation model. explore Sora. So this is the created using Sora or image generation. We will talk it about later how you create this thing. But in this one we understand this ChatGPT interface and all. If you click on temporary, this is the temporary chat for the 30 days it will take. And you can use advanced voice mode also. Click on here, use voice, continue.
Hey, what's up? Feel free to ask me about anything that's on your mind. I'm ready to go.
Okay, you can
Hi
change the
there.
voice
Nice to.
also.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going?
So you can use like this. Okay, while it is accepting, let me close this one. So this way you can use the voice mode. It will detect also your voice and you can answer it like this. Uh, what is the capital of India? Let's talk about this one. So if you click, it will take a voice, it will change into the prompt. You can use like this. So what is the capital? It will like this. You don't need to write the prompt, you can speak also. So there are some tools it gives you. For example, creating an image. You click this tool and create an image. There is search on the web. If you want ChatGPT search for on the web, so you can use this thing. Okay. Second tool is write or code. So if you want something ChatGPT code for you or the model code for you. We will talk about models in the premium one where you able to see the models here. Run deep research. So if you want deep research on any particular topic, you can use this. Think for longer. So it will think much longer and understand the complete problem. We use for the code and mathematics or physics problems where the people needs to think a lot. People is the brain is like a AI model only. You need to understand like this. Okay. So for example, this is me, the person. I have one brain. So AI model is the brain of that only. He knows all the things which is on the internet. I know all the things which is on the internet. He writes code. I also write code. He's faster. So these are the two brains only. Okay. We will see okay how many types of model are there. We already see that there are two types of model, general models and reasoning models, and we will understand okay which model is the thinking model, which model is general model, which model is a reasoning model. Okay, so Sora is the image generation or video generation model. They are using different models for the video creation. We will talk in later classes. Okay, so let's log in with the plus. If you click on the upgrade, okay, so there is a $20 they are charging for you for the upgrade. In the free one, they are access ChatGPT mini reasoning, stand voice model, real-time data from the web scraping, limited access of ChatGPT 4 or mini, and use custom GPTs. And is everything is free, extended limits of messaging and all the things. This is the $200 where use all the recent updates about the OpenAI. So here we see also there is a new codex. So it will get into this access to the research preview of codex agent. You get it in this version. There is a business version if you want for your team and all the things you can use that. Let's go back and explore GPTs. So this is the complete different thing. They are using ChatGPT models only, but I will teach this thing in the next or some other video. The GPTs, how you can create your own GPTs like ChatGPT. So we will talk about this later. But this is the library what if you make your images, everything is saved here, or this is the interface. Let's change to the plan. Here we have some. Okay, this is the customized ChatGPT. If you click on customize, it will answer according to your preferences. If you write something, nickname. So your nickname is like Mohit is my nickname. And what do you do? I'm a trader. What trade should ChatGPT have? You need to give the description. Okay, it is talk always with examples and answers. Okay, so it is talk always with examples and answers. So it will reply you with the examples in the answers. Anything else ChatGPT should know, you can use this thing, talk with always talking with the answer expert. Okay, this is you can save, and if you use that thing, it will works as a, it will give in every chat, it will give you the examples related to that. There is settings also, you can choose no general settings, always show the code, show follow-ups, auto detect language, archive chats, archive all chats, delete all chats, log out. Notification, you get the task, push, email, response. Task, these two tasks it will give. So it will send you the email also, the task. Personalization, the custom instruction on, memory is on, saved memory to, they use this memory to train their models. Okay, this is auto voice, you can change the voice, data control, export data, delete your any data, you can delete that also. Builder profile, so if you want to build domain, if you have a website or something, you can add this thing. Connecting apps, you can connect Google Drive directly. Securities, this is multi-factor authentication, log out from all the devices, you can do like this. Okay, let's do the keyboard shortcuts. If you want to read this thing, extension also you can download, just log out here from here and log into the premium version, which is the plus one. Now, what are the changes you see here? This is I already did some of the chats, so it required. So we will see all the things here. Nothing, it's a view plan. So I have this plan. So it is showing like this. This is the chatbot. Okay. If you click on this button, it will open every time a new chatbot. Now you see in the without plus membership, it is not showing you the models. Okay, now it is showing the GPT-4o is one model, O3 is one model, O4 mini is one model, O4 mini high is one model, GPT 4.5 is one model, GPT 4.1 and GPT-4. For everyday tasks, it is using GPT 4.1, GPT 4.1, GPT 4.5. What that means? Okay, in the starting we talk about the general and the reasoning models. Okay, so GPT-4o, if we write something like write me an essay on India. So it starts generating that essay without thinking. Okay. So it generates using the knowledge it has already. So it writes the essay on India. Okay. Let me stop this one. And use advanced reasoning, fast advanced reasoning, and O for mini high for visual reasoning. Let's use this one and rerun this again. Now you see there is one thing, thinking. It thinks before write. So your answer is much better in this case. Okay. We will understand how you can write a prompt also in the coming video. Maybe in the next video you will I will explain you how you write the prompt so you get the much better answers. Okay. So it's thinking right now. It's not it is not start writing. Okay. So we are using O3, which is the thinking model. You can share the chat also in this. There is a 3 add to the project. These are the new things you can add. You can add in the plus membership. You can get task and all the things. So it is thinking still now. Then it will start the writing the essay. So we will understand the basics. OpenAI as the products also. It has the AI models, frameworks. ChatGPT is the product of OpenAI. Operator is the product of OpenAI. Codex, which is recently we talk about, which for the coding they release. Codex. We will talk about this also, ki how you can use this one. Okay, so Codex for the coding. terminal. So AI agent SDK we will talk about in this coming whole series, the understanding OpenAI. So now it writes the whole essay for you after thinking a lot. The source is also here. Okay, it goes to all these resources from the internet and then write this essay. This is thinking model. We will talk about each model capabilities also. So let's do same thing with the OpenAI Mini. What is the write me the essay. So we will see the difference. It's a small model. It's the difference in the parameters only, but I don't go that technical right now. This is for the non-tech, or you want a basic understanding of ChatGPT, then you will, or OpenAI, then it is good for you, this video. So it start after thinking 19 seconds and it will generate the answer. So your task is to, if you have Plus membership, or if you don't have Plus membership, just go to the ChatGPT and ask same thing. Okay, what is this, and you can start talking to them. Use this one also. Write me the essay on India and just enter. So it is an they are using, and send it. It's done. Now it is thinking a lot. If it generates the answer different this time, if you are able to see this thing, let's wait for the response. Geography, demographics. Now it writes here, it writes 3 lines. Now it improves automatically. Okay, the person, it thinks the person don't like the answer which I gave above. That is the major thing. That's why it changed a lot of things, the lines and all the things, and then it writes the answer. Okay. So start talking with the chat GPT and get all the things. Okay, this is what we get, what if we write. So use your domain. The first thing you need to understand, what is your major domain. If you are a coder, software developer, marketing guy, sales guy, or anyone, ask related to that questions to the chat GPT and how it goes to the, use the practical. For example, you are the sales guy and who want to pitch your product or the service to the client, which is the lead. So how you ask same thing in the chat GPT, it will give you much better ideas and you will negotiate in that way about the project, and you can pitch like this. So you can use this model. These are the text generation models. We write the text, we got the text. So these are text generation model which write text according to my what I want. Okay, so this is the complete basic first video which we talk about how OpenAI ecosystem evolves day by day, and we understand the general models and reasoning models in OpenAI. There are a lot of open source and closed source different models also, but in this series understanding OpenAI, we only talk about OpenAI ecosystem and we will understand it in much better way. So thank you everyone. If you like the video, subscribe our channel. We are coming up with such videos on a generative AI technologies and AI technology. So thank you.